Good morning, Cortland Dragons. I'm Victoria.
Y soy Jaden.
And this is Cortland News for Tuesday, May 6, 2025.
Primero vamos a hablar sobre las opciones de almuerzo.
Here's what we have on our lunch menu today. For hot, we have chicken tenders, and for deli, we have a whole grain cereal fun pack.
Otra vez será cereales integrales para deli y para caliente y filets de pollo.
Looking ahead to lunch the next day, here's the menu. For hot, we have chicken tenders with dinner roll, and for deli, we have a whole grain cereal fun pack.
En el próximo almuerzo tendremos filetes de pollo para caliente y un paquete divertido de cereales integrales para deli.
We here at Cortland News are honoring classes that have reached 2,000 Dragon tickets.
Today we will be honoring Miss Stringer's class, and they will be leading us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
Now it's time for a joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ice cream.
Ice cream who?
Ice cream when I see a mosquito.
Ha, 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 ha.
Keep being respectful, responsible, reflective, and safe. That's all the announcements for today. Cortland Dragons. I'm Victoria.
Y soy Jaden. Gracias por ver las noticias de Cortland. Que tengas un buen martes.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.